If your nervous system still panics when you say no, it's not because you're weak. It's because your body thinks you're betraying the tribe. If you've ever said yes with a lump in your throat, if you've ever overridden your own no just to avoid fallout and keep the peace, we're unpacking where that panic really comes from and how to start choosing a new way. Hey, I'm Melanie. I help recovering good girls, people pleasers, and the black sheep of the family break free from high control systems and finally feel safe in their own damn skin. If you're done performing for love and want to learn how to anchor safety inside of yourself, you're in the right place. Let's get one thing straight. Your body is not overreacting. It's responding to generations of programming that taught you that safety equals obedience. If you were raised like I was, in a home where saying no got you punished, shamed, or iced out, your body remembers that. It stores it. If your lineage learned to survive by staying small, staying sweet, staying agreeable, your body still thinks that is the safe option. And then you, in this timeline, start healing. You set a boundary, you say no, and then suddenly your heart's racing, your stomach is in knots, and you're spiraling. And it's not because you're broken, it's because you're betraying the blueprint that is in your body. Let's talk ancestral trauma for a second. Your ancestors didn't just teach you how to survive, they encoded it. So any stress or trauma that your grandmother went through when she was pregnant with your mother is encoded into you. Because when you think about it, when she was pregnant with your mother, babies in utero develop eggs. So when she was pregnant with your mother, you were in your mother inside of your grandmother. So any trauma that your grandmother went through is encoded into you. For many of us, especially those from religious, colonized, or patriarchal lineages, safety was something that you earned. And you earned it through being quiet, through being helpful, being good, being selfless, putting other people first. Raise your hand if you were praised for being mature beyond your years. I know I was. Such a good teenager. She's like an adult already. Or you were told that you were too sensitive when you actually felt the truth in a room. We're not blaming your family. What we're doing is we're realizing the conditioning that you inherited so you can choose what gets to stay. Let me pause here and name two things that I hear all the time. But Melanie, my nervous system feels unsafe. Doesn't that mean I shouldn't do it? Not necessarily. Your nervous system is like a fire alarm that hasn't caught up to the fact that you're not in danger anymore. The goal isn't to never feel fear. You're going to feel fear. The goal is to be able to feel it without handing over the keys to your life. Another thing I hear is, I don't even know what safety feels like. Yeah, I used to feel that way too. And that's valid. If you've never experienced unconditional, grounded safety, your system might equate calm with boredom or even threat. Like, okay, it's calm now, but something's coming. And that takes time to rewire. This is where we stop making fear the enemy and start using it as information. So let's talk about how to create safety without performing. Not someday, not when you have it all figured out, not when you have more time, but right now, in your body. Here are a few things that actually work. The first thing is micro moments of truth. Catch yourself the moment you start performing and pause. Even one breath is enough to interrupt the loop. Say no without a reason. And practice it in low stakes situations where you're not really going to lose anything, Just say, no, thank you. That's it. No explanation, no justifying. Watch what rises up in your body. That is the healing edge. Reclaim rituals that bring your body back online. And this is where energetic support really, really matters. Breath work, EFT, movement, visualization. I've got a freebie for you. It's called the Sacred Lineage Reclamation Ritual. And in this ritual, you're not just clearing the past, but you're actually calling your energy home. And you're telling your body that your energy is safe. The next thing is build safety through repetition. And this is what my nervous system sovereignty and energy management toolkit is all about. It's daily tools that don't require perfection, just presence. If you'd like me to let you know when it launches, just comment sovereign in the comments and I'll make sure you get early access and the subscriber discount if you are a subscriber of my paid Substack. You're not dramatic. You're just not willing to perform anymore. You're not broken. You're just the first in your line to say, this isn't what safety feels like. And that's brave as hell. If this resonated, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and comment below with what part landed the most. And don't forget to check out Thursday's post on my Substack publication, Your Witchy Mother, where I went even deeper into the how of nervous system healing and energetic sovereignty. I'll see you over there in the Your Witchy Mother Coven.